Hello everyone, welcome to Compiler Design lecture series. Today we are going to see example 3 on how to find first. So I have already told in the previous videos also, first we always find of variable, and what are variable also is explained in the previous videos. So you all can go there and check about the definition of variable, terminal and what is first. So now this is example 3. We need to find the first of all the variables present in this given grammar. In this grammar, there are 5 productions. 2 productions are for S, 1 production for L and 2 production are for L dash. Or means what? This S is having 2 productions. One is this and second one is S tends to A. Similarly, L dash is having 2 production. One is this and second one is epsilon. So this grammar is having total 5 productions. So now first we find always of variable, not of terminals. Variables are nothing but whatever is in the capital letter or uppercase letter are called as variables. So now on the left hand side, check how many variables are there. S is one variable, L is second variable and L dash is third variable. So total we have 3 variables. So we need to find first of S, then we need to find first of L and then we need to find first of L dash, because S, L and L dash are variables because they are in capital letters. Rest everything whatever is present are terminals. So now first we need to find first of S. So check the production of S. There are 2 productions for S, first and this one is second. So first means what? Check on the right hand side of that production, S production. This both are S productions only. So in the first production, just check the right hand side. If the terminal is coming at the first place, directly write it as a first of that variable. So now S variable production we are checking, and on the right hand side of that S production there is opening parenthesis. So this opening parenthesis is considered as a terminal. I already told in the previous videos that other than the capital letters or uppercase letter, anything is coming that are considered as terminals. So this opening parenthesis is not a variable. Okay, it is a special symbol. So special symbol, small case letter are all considered as terminal. So first of S will be this opening bracket. So I am writing this opening bracket. Okay, so now our first production is over. We already got the first of S from the first production. Now we have to find the first of S from second production also, because there are 2 productions of S. So now in the second production you all can see S is there on the left hand side. What is there first on the right hand side? Whichever terminal is coming first on the right hand side, that becomes the first of that variable. So A is coming over here and A is a terminal because it is not a capital letter. So small case A is also a terminal. So this is also a first of S. So we got the first of AS, that is opening curly braces and A. Similarly, we need to find the first of L now. For L, we have only one production. Production number 3 belongs to L. So now we have to find the first of L. L is there on the left hand side. You have to check the right hand side of that production for finding out the first. So now on the right hand side, at the first place, this capital S is there. And capital means what? It is a variable. Answer cannot be a capital letter. It has to be a terminal only. So in this case, we have to find the first of S, because at the first place on the right hand side of this production, S is coming. But S we cannot write it as an answer. So we have to find the first of S. So whatever is the first of S, that will be our first of L also. Now what is first of S? First of S we have already got. It is opening curly braces and A. So same will be the answer for first of L also. So first of L also will be what? Opening braces and the small a. Now we have to find the first of L dash. So now for L dash there are 2 productions. Production number 4 and production number 5 are both L dash productions only. So check on the right hand side of those productions. So first we'll consider the production number 4. L dash is on the left hand side, and on the right hand side what is there at the first place we have to check. So comma is there at the first place, and we know comma is also considered as a terminal. Other than the uppercase letter, anything is coming, it is considered as a terminal only. So comma will be the answer. That is, from the production number 4 we got first of L dash is comma. Now we have to find the first of L dash from the production number 5 also, because that is also production of L dash only. So now in production number 5, see the right hand side of L dash. What is there on the right hand side of L dash? What is coming first? Epsilon. Nothing else is there after epsilon, only epsilon is there. So epsilon will be the first of L dash from the production number 5, because nothing else is there after that, only epsilon is there. So we have to consider epsilon also as a first of L dash. If anything was there after that, then would have considered that, but nothing is there after that, so consider epsilon as an answer. So epsilon also can be the answer of first, because it is not a variable. It is not a terminal also, it is a special symbol, but you can consider as an answer for any first of any variable. If there are no more characters are present after it, only epsilon is there in the production, nothing else is there, then you can consider epsilon as a first of that variable. So in this production, nothing else is there, only epsilon is there. So epsilon is considered as a answer. So we got first of all the variables present in the grammar. So there are three variables on the left hand side, S, L and L dash. So whichever variables are present on the left hand side, all those variables first we need to find. So first of S we got as opening curly braces and the small case letter A. Then first of L we got opening curly braces and small case letter A only, and first of L dash we got comma and epsilon. So you can see the answers are all terminals or epsilon. Answer cannot be a variable. So first of any variable has to be a first terminal which is coming on the right hand side of that variable production. So this was all about how to find first in compiler design. Thank you.